Hello students, welcome back to video lecture series for the subject Mathematics 3. Myself Dr. Ankit Acharya, and last time we start our second chapter, Numerical Integration, and we discuss about our first method, Trapezoidal rule. Okay, in today's session we are trying to discuss about Simpson's 1/3 rule and probably Simpson's 3/8 rule. Okay, so this two method we will discuss in today's session, right? So here you can see that this is the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. You have to remember this formula, okay, directly, right? The proof is available in the textbook, but proof is not important for exam point of view, so we are not discussing here. X0 integration from x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx, that is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn, okay, y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 up to yn minus 1. Okay, that means the odd entries. Okay, first and last entry occur here, y0 here, yn is also here, right? And 4 into y1 plus y3 up to yn minus 1, all odd entries, okay, in between, only odd entries, and all the even entries 2 into y2 plus y4 up to yn minus 2. Okay, so all this entry you have to use here, right? Suppose make sure that one entry use only one time, okay, not two times. Suppose, let me give you one example. Suppose you have y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Suppose you have total 7 entries starting from y0 to y6. Okay, so in the table h by 3, first entry and last entry, so y0 and y6. Okay, so that's why you write here y0 plus y6 plus 4 into all odd entries, so y1, y3 and y5. You write here y1, y3 and y5. Okay, y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into all even entries. Okay, even entries is what? y2, y4 and y6, but y6 is already used in first step. Okay, y0 plus y6, so that's why you cannot use here. Okay, y2 plus y4 only. Here you cannot use y6 here. So one entry occur only one time. Here, suppose you have y0, y1, y2 up to y5. Okay, suppose y6 is not there. Suppose only up to y5. So here you have y0 plus y5, first and last entry. So here you cannot use y5. Here you cannot use y5. Okay, easy to understand. So please, every student, remember this important thing. So this is the formula for Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integration from x0 to x0 plus nh f of x dx, that is equal to h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 up to yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 up to yn minus 2. Okay, clear? Now let's try to solve some important example. Evaluate integration 0 to 6. Okay, 1 upon 1 plus dx, taking h is equal to 1. See, here h is already given. In last session they give n equal to 6, n equal to 10. So using n you can find the interval h. Okay, here h is already given. Now using Simpson's 1/3 rule, okay, and hence obtain an approximate value of log 7. Right, here I want to find the approximate value of log 7. Right, so what is my a? A is the lower limit, a is equal to 0. What is my b? B is equal to 6, b is upper limit, right? H is equal to 1. Okay, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 6 and h is equal to 1. Now n, using, you can easily find out the n is equal to what? B minus a upon h, so n equal to 6 here. Suppose n is given, so you can find h. Suppose h is given, so you can find n here. Okay, so n is equal to b minus a upon h, and b is upper limit, so 6 minus lower limit is 0, and upon h is 1. So that's why n is equal to 6. That means you are starting from 0, 1, 2 up to 6. Okay, So y is equal to f of x, that is 1 upon 1 plus x, right? So x is equal to 0, first entry x is equal to 0, then 1, okay, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, f of x is what? Take x is equal to 0 here, so 1 upon 1 plus 0, so you will get 1, then 1 upon 1 plus 0.5, okay, this is the value of f of 1. So 1 upon 1 plus 0.5, so you will get 1 upon 1.5, right? So that's why 15 by 10, so 10 by 15, right? So that's why 2 by 3, and this is the value of, okay, 1 upon, sorry, this is the value of, okay, f of x, x is 1, okay, so put here 1, so f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus 1, so 1 by 2, okay, so that's why 0.5, okay, I thought x is 0.5, but the value of f of 1 is 0.5. Now, to find the value of 2, so f of 2, okay, f of 2 is how you can find f of 2, that means 1 upon 1 plus 2, so 1 by 3, so this is the value of 1 by 3, 0.3333, then if you want to find f of 3, then 1 upon 1 plus 3, so this is 1 by 4, and you know that 1 by 4 is 0.25, so this is the value of 0.25, okay. Similarly, you can find f of 4, f of 4 is what? 1 upon 1 plus 4, so 1 by 5, and 1 by 5, that is 0.2, okay. Similarly, you can find f of 5 and f of 6, okay. I hope that you can easily solve out. Now, use this formula, Simpson's 1/3 rule, h by 3, y0 plus yn. So, first entry and last entry, first we have to write plus 4 into all odd entries and plus 2 into all even entries, okay. 4 into all odd entries plus 2 into all even entries, and make sure that one entry is from the table of y, one entry use only one time, okay. That's very important. So that's why when you apply Simpson's 1/3 rule here, let me show you, h by 3, okay, integration from 0 to 6, 1 upon 1 plus x dx, that is equal to h by 3. So h is what? H is 1, so 1 by 3. y0 plus yn, so 1 plus 0.1429. First we have to write 1 plus 0.1429 plus 4 into all odd entries, so 0.5, 0.25 and 0.1667, okay. So 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.1667 and plus 2 into, okay, 2 into all even entries, so this entry and this entry, remaining entries, okay. So plus 2 into 0.3333 plus, okay, 0.1667 here, okay. So here you can see that when you calculate, see, y0 plus y6, same, y0 plus y6, 1 plus 0.1429, 4 into 0.5, 0.25 and 0.1667, okay, and plus 2 into all even entries. So final answer is 1.95W, okay. Now using the direct integration method, see, they have already evaluated approximate value of log 7, okay. So this is the approximate value of log 7, because we know that integration of 1 upon 1 plus x, that is log 1 plus x, upper limit is 6, lower limit is 0. So log 7, log 6 plus 1, log 7, and the value of log 7, that is 1.9588. Okay, so almost you will get same answer, almost, either very few error, okay, for approximate value. Let's try to one more example using Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, find integration from 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square. Now here you can see that this function is quite tricky. You cannot find integration directly for e raised to minus x square. It's very difficult. Okay, so that's why in that case, some of the function which is very tricky, okay, or sometimes integration is very difficult, for that maximum we are using numerical methods, right? So e raised to minus x square we want to find from 0 to 0.6 by taking n is equal to 6. So here n is given, so you can find h. Okay, so h is equal to b minus a upon n. Okay, h is equal to b minus a upon n, and b is upper limit, that is 0.6, lower limit is 0, and upon n, so that is 6. So 0.6 divided by 6, so you will get 0.1. Okay, 0.6 divided by 6, so you will get 1. 0.1. Now f of x is e raised to minus x square. So first entry is quite easy because h is equal to 0.1. So the table the entries of x, that is 0, starting with 0, difference is 0.1, and you have to go up to 0.6 because upper limit is 0.6. So 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, and 0.6. Here the value of f of x, that is 1, 0.99, 0.9698. So 9608.9139, f of 0, let me show you first of all. So f of 0, that is equal to e raised to minus 0, so that's why you will get 1. Now suppose you want to find f of 0.1, so you have to put in your calci e raised to minus 0.1 whole square. Okay, here, and please all the students use your calculator very properly, otherwise you will get wrong answer. Okay, so here you need bracket, okay, in our calculator also. So e raised to minus 0.1 whole square. If you have any doubt, you can find out first 0.1 whole square first and then put value here. Okay, so that you will get 0.99, right? 0.2. So f of 0.2, that means e raised to minus 0.2 whole square. So you will get 0.9608, or you can calculate this value. So similarly you can find 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Okay, here, and okay. So this is my value of y0, y1, okay, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. All entries you will get easily. Now use Simpson's 1/3 rule. So what is my rule? H by 3, don't forget this is our rule. Okay, h by 3, y0 plus yn plus 4 into all odd entries plus 2 into all even entries. Okay, so let's apply this rule here. So h by 3, so that is 0.1 by 3, y0 plus yn, so 1 plus 0.6977 plus 4 into, okay, this 1 and 0.6977. Now we use now all odd entries, so y1, y3, and y5. So 4 into 0.99 plus 0.9139 plus 0.7788. Okay, and plus 2 into 0.9608 and 0.8521. 0.9608 and 0.8521. Okay, and the final answer you will get here. See, y0 plus y6 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5. Okay, so 0.99, 0.9139, okay, and 0.7788, and the final answer is 0.5351. Okay, so in today's lecture just we can discuss about Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, and we solve two example. In next lecture we discuss about Simpson's 3/8 rule. Up to this,